Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my trading course, my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, I still think this is a one big WXY pattern, which means that this would be like the A of W, this would be the B of W, and potentially it would turn back down for a C of wave W. So keep that in mind because it is important. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we are sitting at the 78%, but until we actually get the end of this trend, we should probably just continue to go with the flow, and the flow is definitely up for now. So going down to the daily time frame is where you can start to actually see the higher highs, higher lows that have made up this move to the upside. And until we get a break of structure to the downside, we cannot say that this uptrend is over. And if the trend is not over and not proven to be over, we have to keep in mind that it could potentially keep going up. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. So keeping all that information in mind, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move. I do think that it potentially looks like a wave 5, and we even have 5 waves now, which gives you a little bit of confidence that maybe we are getting close to topping out. But the US dollar pairs and the US dollar index don't really agree that this is almost over. A lot of those pairs look like they have a lot of more trend in them, which means that this right here potentially could be a correction to this last wave up, and it potentially could just continue the uptrend, which is why I'm primarily looking for logs until we do get a break of structure to the downside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm looking for longs potentially because I am not a scalper, so I am trading a little bit of a higher time frame than probably most people. So I'm potentially waiting patiently for some sort of a three-wave recognizable pattern, some sort of an a B, and a C, maybe down to the 50 to 61%. Then if I get 3 waves down impulsive up at a Fibonacci level, then that is exactly the entry that I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Unless it goes down and breaks this low, me as a swing trader, I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. If it does go down and break the low, I will happily start looking for shorts after the break of structure and after a pullback that would come after the break of structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.